Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Vyapti Curious Minds. Have you ever seen a carpet of bright yellow flowers covering the ground like nature's own golden blanket? Meet the Singapore daisy, a small but amazing flowering plant that has captured the attention of gardeners around the world. But this beautiful flower hides a surprising secret. Stay till the end to find out. Singapore daisy, scientifically known as Spaghetticola trilobata, is a fast growing flowering plant native to tropical regions. It produces bright yellow daisy like flowers that bloom throughout the year in warm climates. The plant is popular because of its attractive appearance and ability to cover empty spaces quickly. Its glossy green leaves and cheerful flowers make gardens look vibrant and colorful. One of the most interesting things about Singapore daisy is its incredible growth speed. Even a small piece of stem can grow into a new plant because of this gardeners often use it as a ground cover to prevent soil erosion and suppress weeds. Imagine planting a few stems and watching them spread across an entire garden area within months. But here is the surprising part. While Singapore daisy is loved by many gardeners, it is also considered an invasive species in several countries because it grows so quickly. It can spread into natural habitats and compete with native plants for sunlight, water, and nutrients. This means that a plant admired for its beauty can sometimes become a challenge for the environment. The flowers are so attractive to bees and butterflies. These pollinators visit the bright yellow blooms to collect nectar, helping support local ecosystems. So, despite its invasive nature in some regions, the plant can still provide food for beneficial insects. Like all green plants, Singapore daisy performs a process called photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, the leaves absorb sunlight using a green pigment called chlorophyll. The plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil to produce glucose, which serves as its food. This process not only helps the plant grow but also releases oxygen into the atmosphere, which is essential for life on Earth. Another interesting scientific feature of Singapore daisy is its method of vegetative propagation. Instead of relying only on seeds, the plant can produce new plants from pieces of its stem. When a stem touches moist soil, special cells develop into roots, allowing a completely new plant to grow. Scientists call this ability asexual reproduction because it does not require flower, pollen, or seeds. Singapore daisy also demonstrates an important ecological concept known as competition. Plants compete for sunlight, water, nutrients, and space. Because Singapore daisy grows rapidly and forms dense mats, it can block sunlight from reaching smaller plants underneath. This is one reason why it can become invasive in some ecosystems. This tiny plant is therefore a perfect example of how biology, ecology, and environmental science work together in nature. Thanks for watching the video. For more science related content, please do follow Vyapti Curious Minds. Save Earth, Save Life. Thank you.